Welcome to KVMAP Green Store, where your plans begin with a golden opportunity. We are excited to have you join us on this journey. KVMAP Green Store is a leading direct sell product-based and industrial business system. We offer the best return and have been a pioneer in the direct selling industry. As the internet has evolved, so have we, adapting to meet the needs of individuals, households, and businesses. Our vision and mission are rooted in the belief that true success begins at the seed level. We aim to nurture ideas with sufficient financial and non-financial resources, fostering both social and economic growth. Joining KVMAP Green Store means being part of a trusted network with 24/7 support, secure transactions, and the potential for big income and returns. Our system is designed to recycle and grow your investments. We are fully compliant with all legal requirements, ensuring transparency and trust in our operations. Our legal documents are readily available for your review. Explore our diverse range of packages, from the Star Package to the Crown Package, each designed to meet different needs and investment levels. The Star Package, priced at just 1000 rupees, includes a fitness band smartwatch, perfect for everyone. It's water-resistant, supports various workout modes, and offers quick charge capabilities. For 2000 rupees, the Green Star Package offers acai berry juice, packed with antioxidants and health benefits like improved heart health, weight loss aid, and increased libido. Stay hydrated with the Ruby Package's hydrogen water bottle, priced at 10,000 rupees. It's portable, easy to use, and offers the benefits of hydrogen-rich water. The Pearl Package, at 20,000 rupees, features a 42-inch smart LED TV with tempered glass, offering high-quality viewing and advanced specifications. Our Emerald Package, priced at 50,000 rupees, includes a solar hybrid inverter, perfect for homes, offices, and shops, providing off-grid power solutions. Also in the Emerald Package, the Alkaline Water Ionizer Premium machine offers advanced water purification with features like touch type and voice notification. The Diamond Package, at 70,000 rupees, includes a 65-inch smart LED TV with tempered glass, providing an immersive viewing experience with top-notch specifications. Our Premium Crown Package, priced at 100,000 rupees, features an electric scooter with advanced specifications, offering a sustainable and efficient mode of transportation. KVMAP offers 6 best income sources, including product packages, direct referral income, daily incentives, level income, reward income, and recycle income. Earn a 10% direct income on packages ranging from 1000 rupees to 100,000 rupees, providing a lucrative opportunity for direct sellers. Our daily incentive income plan offers varying percentages based on package levels, ensuring consistent earnings over time. To qualify for daily incentive income, you must directly join 3 members, ensuring a robust network and steady income flow. By referring more than 3 members, you can significantly increase your daily incentive income, with higher percentages for additional referrals. Achieving daily incentive income and ranks requires active participation in direct referrals, leading to roles like distributor, supervisor, and executive manager. Explore the various levels of income generated through daily incentives. Each level offers a different percentage of income, providing opportunities for consistent earnings every day. Understanding the package income conditions is crucial. If you are on the basic package, referral income is your primary source. However, upgrading within 10 days unlocks full incentive income, maximizing your earnings potential. Reward income is tied to the package you choose and the number of days. The more substantial the package, the greater the reward, offering a structured path to increased earnings. Reward income is earned by purchasing packages within specific business days. This system encourages timely registration and package utilization, ensuring members receive bonuses for their efforts. Recycling income offers a sustainable way to earn without additional investment. By recycling your earnings, you can maintain an active membership and grow your business, benefiting from a lifetime income stream. Recycling income conditions allow members to earn daily incentives and level income through package renewal. This system supports continuous growth and offers additional benefits like tour packages based on rank or product. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions, including free registration, withdrawal policies, and automatic recycle deductions. These guidelines ensure smooth transactions and sustained membership benefits. Thank you for your attention. We are here to support your journey towards success. Feel free to reach out for any questions or opportunities to collaborate. Together, we can achieve great things.